Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex, and like always I'm happy and delighted to make this kind of videos for you or their followers and clients and show you the best options, best opportunities on the real estate market at our beautiful and sunny Costa Blanca region. I'm entering now into one apartment that was completely renovated. It's located just 300 meters away from the city center, 800 meters away from the beach of Náufragos, and about 600 meters away from the nice city promenade. Located in the second floor, this is the main entrance, and now follow me. We're going to the left side of this nice apartment and we'll start with the review. This is a fully renovated bedroom. Everything that you see here is completely new, so it's ready to move in. And if you don't want to spend your time in a renovation and have a new designer that will design all this, this is your perfect option, because also it offers a parking spot included in the price. I will let you know about the price by the end of this video, but it's very good option. So, well, as you see, we have open plan kitchen with very good quality materials. We know the person that makes the renovations will sold actually some apartments of same type with same renovation. The clients are very happy because they use very good quality. So as you see, this is the kitchen. We have the freezer hidden here, same as the wash machine. Sorry, yeah, it's here. Wash disher, everything is included, and very modern and stylish. Nice lighting, underfloor heating in the whole apartment. Dining area, look how cozy it looks. We have air conditioning and one access after the living room to this nice terrace where you can sit and enjoy with the whole family. And now follow me and I will show you the next part where the two bedrooms are. So again, from the entrance we're going to the right side, on which we have this guest bedroom with inbuilt wardrobes. Look how nice it's done. Nice design, nice shape, colors, very nice combination of everything. The designer did a very good job. So following, here's the main bedroom with, of course, a wardrobe, a lot of space, nice colors, and surprise, because this bedroom has another small balcony that is covered with the glass, so perfect to wake up and see some light, and of course have ventilation. This is south facing, so you will have a little bit more sun here from this balcony. 175,000 euro. Remember that this apartment offers also a parking spot in the same building that is included in the price, very important. And the building is from the year 2007, so it has a good modern structure, and yeah, the inside of the building is very nice too. So yes, this is actually a very good property for somebody that wants to have something near the center and don't invest time in the renovation or buying stuff. So this is complete ready to move in, new. Nobody was living here before, so it was renovated and now it's on sale. So it's perfect option, 175,000 euro. If you need more details, don't mind to contact me and I will share the information with you about this property or maybe something similar. You have my contact details here. Just write me a message or call me. I will be always able to respond and help you with the buy, with the sale, and of course with the rent out for real estate properties at our nice Torrevieja. See you next time at our YouTube channel. Subscribe this channel, share this video with your family, friends and lovers, and see you next time in Alicante Real Estate. Adios!